Solar lights provide an amazing, eco-friendly way to take the design up a notch in your outside space once the sun goes down, no matter what size balcony, courtyard or garden you may have.
Outdoor lighting can add ambience, decoration and even security to your home. And by choosing solar,
you won't need to worry about hard wiring or complicated electrical installations. Plus, they're kinder to the planet and your wallet.
Hoselink has a range of quality solar lights, including wall, path, decorative and spotlights in both warm and cool white. And today I'm going to show you some of the ways they can transform your home.
Solar lights feature a built-in battery that is charged over several hours by the sun via this panel, converting that energy into power completely free.
That means no impact on your energy bill whilst minimising your carbon footprint. What could be better than that? Hoselink's LED garden solar lights are portable and easy to install, meaning you can switch up the look and feel of your outside space at night with very little effort.
They come in all shapes and sizes with a range of functions and, best of all, once switched on, the lights will automatically illuminate at dusk and turn off at dawn. Just make sure the solar panels get at least 6 hours of sunlight per day. The lights can either be staked in the ground or attached to the wall using the included hardware. Alternatively, you can attach most of Hoselink's solar lights with this weatherproof double-sided tape, which provides a great option for renters as the lights can be installed and removed without damage.
I want to kick off with some of my favourite solar lights. These are Hoselink's decorative options that include fairy and festoon lights, lanterns, jars, patterned wall lights, and these eye-catching garden globes that we're going to install first. I really love these lights as they can be used in two different ways. They can be staked in the ground or hang as a pendant from a tree branch or pergola to create a point of interest.
Here, I've used them to highlight my perennial garden and to softly light a small entertaining area. While these lantern-style lights make all the difference to a table and add a decorative touch to steps, turning a simple stairway into a feature piece.
Festoon lights are the perfect choice for the party atmosphere, but I also think they look great for lighting up small spaces like courtyards and can look really special if you have a view of the area from inside the house.
My veggie patch is a well-used part of my garden. During the winter months, we often harvest herbs and veggies for dinner in the dark. So I'm transforming this space by hanging these festoon lights between a few wooden stakes. Not only does it look good, but it's practical too.
Spotlights are ideal for highlighting architectural aspects of your home and the surrounding landscapes. This huge oak is my favourite tree on the whole property.
As it's a focal point seen from my living room, I'm going to uplight it with some spotlights to completely change my view after dark. Spotlights can also be used to backlight interesting plants. You can play around with the angle and position to create the effect you're after. This even works in pots.
Another visually interesting technique is downlighting. With the spotlight angled down, you can highlight features like trees, fountains,
or point attention to your favourite ground level plants.
Wall lights are a little more obvious where to place them, but there are still many different types, from floodlights to motion sensor security lights and even decorative options.
I live in a rural area with little to no light pollution, so it gets pretty dark at night. By adding this solar security floodlight to my garage, the motion sensor will detect when I drive or walk up and brightly illuminate a wide area. This is also a great security feature to deter unwanted visitors.
Also in the range is the medium motion sensor wall light that's perfect for lighting up the bin area to make it much easier when taking out the rubbish. While these modern lights are ideal for lighting up a doorway. As a horticulturalist, there's nothing I love more than a beautiful garden. And with all the effort we put in, there's no reason we can't appreciate the plants, flowers and features at night too.
That's where path lights come in. These types of solar lights are great for giving subtle and stylish illumination to parts of the landscape while, importantly, keeping you safe from trips and falls by lighting up steps, entry points and walkways.
Hoselink offer a compact path light with motion sensor, suitable for most areas, and a range of brighter bollards ideal for driveways, paths and steps. The trick when using bollards is knowing how to space them. Too close and they may look cluttered, and too far, you may lose the intended guidance along a path.
The great thing about these Hoselink bollards is they can be staked into the ground, so you can easily move them to your desired spacing after dark when you know how far the light reaches.
So that's it, a few ideas to get you started transforming your space when the sun goes down. Happy lighting.